Ever felt like you're staring at a maze of charts, indicators battling for your attention, and news feeds pulling you in a dozen different directions? You're not alone. For many traders, TradingView has become the go-to platform, a central hub for analysis. But what if there was something more? Something that could elevate your trading game beyond the familiar interface and feature set? Think about it. TradingView is fantastic for what it offers: charting, screening, social networking for traders. It's a solid foundation. But the financial markets are constantly evolving, becoming more complex, demanding more sophisticated tools and insights. Could there be platforms out there that address some of the limitations or offer unique advantages that TradingView, for all its strengths, might not fully cover? Perhaps you're looking for deeper, more granular data, the kind that institutional traders rely on. Maybe you crave more advanced order execution capabilities directly integrated with your analysis. Or what about alternative data sources, sentiment analysis from social media, macroeconomic indicators presented in a more digestible format, or even predictive analytics powered by artificial intelligence? Imagine a platform that seamlessly blends advanced charting with real-time news sentiment analysis, highlighting potential market-moving events before they become mainstream headlines. Picture having access to sophisticated backtesting tools that go beyond simple historical data, allowing you to simulate trading strategies under various market conditions with greater precision. Consider the power of integrated risk management tools that actively monitor your portfolio and provide proactive alerts based on your predefined risk parameters. What if your charting platform could also act as your execution terminal, offering direct access to multiple brokers with intelligent order routing to secure the best possible prices? These aren't just pipe dreams. The financial technology landscape is vibrant and competitive, with innovators constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. While TradingView excels in its core offerings, there are specialized platforms designed to cater to specific needs and offer unique advantages. For instance, some platforms focus heavily on algorithmic trading, providing robust APIs and development environments for sophisticated trading bots. Others might specialize in specific asset classes, offering tailored tools and data feeds for options traders, cryptocurrency enthusiasts, or forex specialists. The better isn't necessarily a one-size-fits-all answer. It depends entirely on your individual trading style, your asset preferences, your technical expertise, and your specific needs. For a beginner, TradingView's intuitive interface and vast community resources might be the perfect starting point. But as your trading evolves, as your strategies become more nuanced, you might find yourself seeking tools and capabilities that extend beyond TradingView's current scope. So, the question isn't really about finding a single platform that universally surpasses TradingView. Instead, it's about exploring the broader ecosystem of trading tools and identifying platforms that might be better for you and your specific objectives. It's about understanding that the ideal trading setup is a personalized one, potentially involving a combination of tools that complement each other, each excelling in its own domain. Perhaps the answer lies not in finding a direct replacement for TradingView, but in augmenting it with specialized platforms that fill in the gaps and provide a more comprehensive and powerful trading arsenal. The journey of a trader is one of continuous learning and refinement, and that includes exploring the tools that can help you navigate the complexities of the market more effectively. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.